This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your YouTube video is not rotating. So you can see I have it rotated right here. So you probably have the rotation lock turned on. So if we swipe up from the bottom or swipe down depending on your version of iPhone, you can see this lock right here. If we have this tapped, you can see the portrait orientation is locked. So if I go back to the YouTube video right here and I try to rotate it, well, this one still rotates for me. So you can just check and see if that's on or off. But you can just hit this little button right here too to force it to rotate, even if that padlock is on. So you can just do that. So just look at this portrait orientation option you have right here and see if this is locked or not. And you can just tap it and make sure it's turned off. And that should allow you to rotate your iPhone screen with your different applications.